gonna show you guys how to be a Roomba. So first, you go into city, and then you see this. You go under here, and then you press your Oculus button until your hands disappear. Then you put your hands under the ground, and then she'll look like this.
Follow me.
And then you're a Roomba.
Follow me. Over here. You. Both of you, all the Roombas, follow me. I need to show you something really cool. You can become Spider-Man. As if you put your arms to the wall.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Let's see. Let's see if I can climb this. Wait, guys. Wait, let's see if I can climb this.
I'm gonna try and I'm watching
Dang
you.
it.